So we're at Value City Furniture. We just sold our couch this morning at 10 a.m. They came and grabbed it. We went through Facebook Marketplace and we just wanted something new. So we're here again at Value City Furniture. We already purchased the one that we want, so we're so excited, but he's happy too, because not only did we get the couch for our living room, we ended up finding the couch for our basement, because it's actually our basement. Ladies, don't let these men tell you that it's just theirs. You let them think it is, but it's really both of ours. But yeah, so we also found the couch for our basement. So we're really excited. We got an amazing deal. We found it in the clearance section, so I can't wait. We're picking it up on the 13th. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the one that we got. I was a little leery about getting our couch for the living room in the clearance section because you know, a lot of people have been sitting on it, whatever, but it was like a $1,600 discount. And what we're gonna do is just get our guy that usually cleans our floors to clean the couch and everything, to get the stains out. And we got like a really great warranty on it as well, so if there's any imperfections, we can just contact them and they can fix it. So we should be good in that way. But there's so much nice stuff here at Value City Furniture. Love it here. I love this for us. Don't you, buddy? Yeah. So we're gonna head to Home Goods after this because we want to make some updates to our kitchen as well, because when we initially got our kitchen renovated it, I wanted to do like gold pools and everything, but Buddy didn't want to do that. He thought it would look funny, but I'm ahead of my time. He didn't understand it. And we went to his cousin's house, very similar style to us, but they had gold pools. So I was like, oh, he should have listened, and he loved it. So we're gonna get gold pools and grab a few things to go in our kitchen. So anyway, we've made it back to the back. Here's our couch that we just purchased for our basement. Buddy loves it. It's power operated, so the seat that Buddy's sitting in currently actually pulls forward and goes backwards, so it's gonna be really nice for. Do not sleep on the clearance section, y'all. Don't sleep on it. We got a great deal. So yes. Okay, here is our new couch that we just purchased. So we got it for an amazing deal. This is gonna go in our living room. Oh wait, look. Is it comfortable? It's comfortable. Amazing. He loves it. Yeah, so this is gonna go in our living room. As you can see, it is a floor model. That's why it has such an amazing discount. I think we got, like I said, $1,600 off. So we're gonna get it cleaned, see how that does. I think that's gonna do as well. I'm not worried.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not in bad shape.
Minor imperfections, but not $1,600 of imperfections.
Exactly. So we're just gonna. It just needs a nice little cleaning, a little steam ironing. Is that what you call it? So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna be good. I'm so excited. So we need to show you. I need to show you guys the living room as a blank slate, because there's a. These are the chairs I want to get for our dining room. I think Buddy does like it. Can you sit in it?
Them a lot.
Yeah,
I don't want to pay $350 for a chair.
Exactly. So sit in it.
I will if I had it.
And it has wheels, which is nice. The only thing,
Like the
it is
wheels.
a. You do like the
I
wheels,
like
yeah.
the wheels a lot, actually.
And it is a bit of a hefty price tag, but the one thing I like about it is it kind of gives the style of like the Restoration Hardware feel, but not the Restoration Hardware price. And that's what I'm always trying to go for. So I really love this table setting. It's beautiful. I might have to use this for our living room. We are doing a ton of renovations at our house. So we have to get flooring for 2 bathrooms, right?
Yep.
2 bathrooms. So our master
And for the
bathroom.
shower.
Oh, right.
Same
Yeah.
towels before that.
Yeah, it's gonna be the same towels for a towel for our master bathroom and tile for the half bathroom downstairs on the main level. I want to go with a porcelain tile because we have that in our kitchen option. So we'll see. What was that? They have okay. You said grace and peace. All right, there you have it. Ooh, I like this. It's really nice.
I'm actually kind of looking for something that might have like a streak of gold.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, Buddy just said he wants to find something that has like a streak of gold in it. Right. I'm getting used to this whole vlogging thing, so bear with me. Oh, this is nice. It's the gold, Buddy. And I'm getting used to like doing it in public to where when people look at you, I'm just not gonna care what they think. That's what I need. Oh, I like this. Oh, it's too gray. I want more white and just like a streak. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, so I want like a white with just a nice streak in it. Gray streak throughout. Like this. I just don't like the grouts. Yeah, this is so exciting. I just love designing our home. It's just we literally have had the chance to just make our home exactly what we wanted it because we basically bought a fixer-upper, right? So I was telling them how we literally were able to make our house exactly what we wanted because we bought a fixer-upper. We bought something that needed updates because our condo was built in the 70s, so everything was outdated. So we had to literally start from scratch. We have pretty much, it seems like, gutted the entire space, started from scratch at this point. Every area. Like, I don't think there's one area that has been untouched in our house. Like, so we're at our last destination of the day, Home Goods, to get some items for our kitchen and whatever else we see. So hopefully we can find what we need. You want to get a basket, Charles? Oh, basket. Yeah, just in case. So because we're going to be changing the pools in our kitchen, I want to get different bowls and like gold cups and things like that to go in our cabinets that have the glass in it, because you can see through some of our cabinets. So, oh, here we go. Okay, so we're back home. We're in the house, and I wanted to show you guys the clean slate that we have. Our living room, so excited. Yeah, so like I think I mentioned earlier, we did sell our couch this morning, and this is our living room with it empty. There's our Christmas tree that I absolutely love. But yeah, here it is. I'm so excited. Here's our rug, if you can kind of see it. Very neutral toned. That is our TV that's going to be going in the basement very soon. But yeah, I just want to do like a little bit of a tour so you can kind of see some of the changes that we want to make around here. Of course, you already know we got the couch that's going to be coming within a few days. Here's the little entertainment area. We have a living room. That back there is the front area. Don't mind all that paper running up the stairs. That is because, of course, we're getting our master bathroom renovated. So the contractors put paper down there so they don't ruin our carpet or whatever. Now we do have the tree right here, but eventually I do want to get to like lounging chairs, one that goes in this corner and then one back here in this corner, just some large lounging chairs. Yeah, so here in the front, I also want to do, so we just have like a console table right there. It's not a cute design right now. It's kind of ugly, but I want to get like a new console table. This is our half bathroom that we're going to be renovating soon. Our laundry room is right here. Don't mind all this stuff. We got a bunch of Christmas stuff up and laundry we have to do. This is our front door right here with a nice little window here. I want to get a black door, front door, hopefully. So yeah. Let's see what else. We of course have our dining room. I love our painting. It matches our rug perfectly. It was gifted, well, it was given to us by my mother-in-law, so it matches the decor of what we're going for perfectly. We currently have this dining table here, very sturdy, love it. It's just the chairs that I don't love, and I'm gonna be getting those dining chairs from Value City Furniture. That's going to match the, we have our kitchen. I can't think, it's late. I'm tired, we've been out all day, so I'm really tired, but yeah, we have our kitchen. Like I said, we fully gutted our kitchen and renovated it and just clean slate. So I love our kitchen, but details are important to me. I know a lot of people are like, girl, don't touch your kitchen. It looks fine, it's beautiful. So many people would wish that they would have a kitchen like this, but details are important to me. And even there's minute things I want to change, I'm just gonna do that. So I really want to incorporate some gold in here. So I love how it looks, but it's so cool tone that it just kind of feels flat and dead to me at times. So I just want to pull in some gold pulls all up throughout, and I think that will warm it up a bit. And then of course we went to Home Goods today and picked out a few items to go in our glass front cabinets to kind of pull it all together. So yeah, but yeah, this is the kitchen. Not a lot that we're gonna do in here, just change the pools. Maybe one day I would change the light fixtures to match the pools, but I'm not even looking to do that right now. Hey guys, so I just quickly wanted to hop in and thank you all for watching the video. If you made it to the end, I don't know if you did, but if you did, thank you. I didn't end out the last video and it really weird, so yeah, I just felt like it was best to come in, say bye. And also don't mind me and my voice and everything in the video. I had just gotten over a cold. I was over the cold, but I still had a hoarse voice. I still kind of have one now, but I'm getting better, so yay for that. I'm gonna be posting another video soon because I do know that I mentioned that I went to Home Goods. I kind of showed that we went to Home Goods and grabbed a few things. So I'm just gonna post in the next video what I got and some other things that we picked up. So you should be seeing that soon. Again, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.